Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today guys, we're going to be talking about this antenna right here, the bullet antenna. So this antenna, oh, it's got a little dirt on it. So this is the 50 cal bullet antenna by Ronin. Link will be down in the description for this one. You guys may notice, same clothes, same spot. That's right, just recording back-to-back videos for you guys. Getting these reviews out for the high quality, ooh, get that zoom out, for the high quality truck build that I started. I am going to be doing an update after these two videos. Probably go somewhere else another day, maybe tomorrow or something like that. But I figured I'd come and record a couple videos here while I have some time, and it's decently nice out. I mean, short sleeves, but I'm pretty comfortable. So anyways, that's besides the point. Let's get right into the review. So starting off with the installation of this thing, super simple. Your old one's just gonna screw right off. But if you're in my case and your antenna is terrible, or your truck is terrible and you have terrible luck, what you're gonna have to do is, what happened with mine here is, this right here did not just come right off. I couldn't just unscrew it with my hand like most people, or any kind of tools. It would not come off. So I pulled this plastic piece off and it was just spinning and spinning and spinning. The antenna just kept spinning, and it was probably the most annoying thing that I've ever had to do, because I thought it was just going to be quick and simple, you know? Everybody on the internet just said it was just going to be so quick and simple. It was not quick and simple, because I had that issue with the original antenna. So once I actually managed to get that off, what I had to do, basically what you had to do is you had to buy a replacement antenna base and then rip the piece off and then rip the piece off, and this I actually ended up having to solder it, because when I ripped it, it was not, because when I ripped it, I accidentally ripped the wrong part off, and it kind of messed it up a little bit, just a little bit. So anyway, talk about this antenna now. So the installation is super simple if you're able to actually get your antenna off. Now that's the biggest thing, is if your antenna is going to come right off, you can look up other installation videos of this. If your antenna comes right off, it's going to be a 5-minute install. Super simple, and it really cleans up the truck. Here, I'll show you from like a front angle. Instead of having that big tall antenna like the Chevys have, where they come up like up here, it's going to completely change the look of the truck and give it that more aggressive, less stock look, I guess, when you add that. Plus, if you're into guns, you get the nice 50 cal bullet. Be careful if you are shopping on Amazon for the bullet antennas. The Ronin one is a little bit more pricey. I think it's like $40, but it's gonna be worth it for your money, because you're gonna get much better quality on the actual antenna itself, as well as the internals on it. Plus, the biggest thing is gonna be the size. I noticed a lot of the other ones that I was looking at, I'm trying to walk through the trees here. I noticed that a lot of the other ones that I was looking at were not true to size or anything close to the size of an actual 50 cal bullet. They were actually a lot smaller, more like a 5.56 bullet on like a bigger casing, I guess. It was really strange. So I ended up going with the Ronin and spend like the extra 10 or 20 bucks, and I think it was definitely worth it. I'll see if I can give you guys a quick shot of the audio. Alright, so it does have the HD 1 right now, which is like the gold, like top of the line HD, which means it has really good quality right now. If I go to some other channels here, 91 has it. If I go to like 92.3, which is a big channel here, this one does not have it. See, so it really depends on like where you are. 106 probably doesn't have it as well. I think that comes out of Boston. So certain ones are going to have HD radio, other ones are not. If you're really looking for an antenna that's going to give you the best audio quality and the most HD audio, I don't recommend going with a bullet antenna or a stubby antenna. You're going to want to get one that's probably like 3 times the size of the normal one, because you're going to want quality over the look. And if you're going for look, then obviously go with the stubby or the bullet antenna. I'll link both of them down below. They're really good products, and they still do sound the same. They're like maybe a little bit less, not full HD. And the thing is, you lose reception maybe if you're out in like the country, or if you're out in somewhere that doesn't have the best reception anyways. You don't have that extra length to grab it for you. So definitely check it out, like I said, down in the description. There's multiple different options from them, either bullet antennas or just stubby antennas. The look is awesome. Overall, I definitely recommend it. Like I said, if you're not too worried about the audio quality. That's about it for this review, guys. If you did get any information about it, then make sure you click that like button down below, because it does help me out and it shows me that I'm making quality content out here. If you did not get any information out of it, then go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you would like to see, or any questions that you may have about the antenna, and I'll be sure to answer those. But that's about it. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date for future content. Peace!